Hello everyone. This is in continuation to the subject quantitative techniques under NEP syllabus meant for 5th semester BCA. This is part 20. We are going to see about divisibility rules, or how do you check a number is divisible by a specific number using divisibility rule. First question, determine if 4542 is divisible by 4. So we can say a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. So in this case here 42 is the last two digits is not divisible by 4. Hence the number 4542 is not divisible by 4. Is not divisible by 4. That will be the solution for this. Let us move on to the next one. Check if the number 23456 divisible by 3. We can say a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So here sum of digits is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. If I add these 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. 20 is not divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Hence, the number 23456 is not divisible by 3. That is the solution. Let me move on to the next question. Question is 19734 is divisible by 11. So for checking this, we will have to check what is the sum of the odd digits. Here, sum of the digits in odd places is equal to 4 plus 7 plus 1, that is 12. Then sum of the digits in even places, that is 3 plus 9, that is equal to 12. Now let us check the difference between these two. We can say absolute difference is 0. We can say hence the number 19734 is divisible by 11. Means either this absolute difference should be 0 or it should be a number which is divisible by 11. Let us move on to the next question. Find if 5670 is divisible by both 6 and 9. So means we need to check for both the divisibility, whether it is divisible by 6 as well as 9. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Here, the number 5670 is an even number and hence it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Sum of the digits here it is 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 0. If we add 13 plus 5, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Hence, the number 5670 is divisible by 3. So that is one part. Then for divisibility by 9, let us do. Again, 18, that is sum of digits, is divisible by 9. Hence, the number 5670 is divisible by 9. Therefore, the number 5670 is divisible by both 6 and 9. So that will be the solution. Let us move on to the next question. Can 2916 be divisible evenly by 7? So for divisibility by 7, first let us consider the last digit, double the last digit, double the last digit, that is 6 into 12, sorry, 6 into 2, 6 into 2, which is 12. And this needs to be subtracted. This needs to be subtracted from the remaining truncated number, the remaining truncated number. That is, remaining truncated number is 291. 291 minus 12 we have to do. We will get 279. Now, 279 is not divisible by 7. Sorry. 279 is not divisible by 7. Hence, 2916 is not divisible by 7. So that will be the solution. Let us move on to the next. Verify whether 4816 is divisible by 8. Let us consider the last 3 digits. Last 3 digits is 816. Check whether 816 is divisible by 8. 816. Straight away, 8. 8 tens are 80. 16, 2. So 816 is divisible by 8. Hence, 4816 is divisible by 8. That will be the solution for this. Let us check the next one. Check the divisibility of 125 by 5. 125, the last digit is 5. Hence, 125 is divisible by 5. So that will be the solution for this question.